Here's how to play Dhappa, a fun and skill development game for 2 to 8 players. The goal of the game is to discard all the cards to win the game. The box contains 64 cards, 1 rule book, 1 score sheet booklet, and eco-friendly merchandise. The 64 cards include 50 regular character cards and 14 special cards. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Mix those 64 cards thoroughly. For 4 players, each gets 16 cards. If you have more than 4 players, share the 64 cards equally among all the players. Any leftover cards? Pop them back in the box. Everyone keeps their cards face down. No peeking. To start, the youngest player among the group starts by picking the card from the top of their deck and placing it in the center, face up, by revealing the character while saying penny. Consecutively, each player does the same, but following the order of the names which follows and as mentioned on the back of the card: Penny, Jodu, Ginny, Scribbly and Seedha. The cycle continues until the word spoken matches with the character in the card. Keep your eyes sharp. If there is a match, every player has to rush and slap the central pile and shout Dhappa. The last player to Dhappa or anyone who misses out must take the whole central pile and add it to their deck. The player who got the pile starts the next round with penny and the cycle continues in the same. Penny, Jodu, Ginny, Scribbly and Seedha. Want more challenge? Now introducing the special character cards in the game. Meet Chelsea the turtle, Buxy the ant and Corny the corn. If one of these pops up, everyone must do the respective action and then slap the card while shouting Dhappa. The action for Chelsea is join your hands and make the fish swimming action. For Buxy, knock the table or floor with your fingers or knuckles. And for Corny, show off a dance move by swirling your hands. And don't forget to slap the card and shout Dhappa. The last player to Dhappa or anyone who misses out must take the whole central pile and add it to their deck. The player who got the pile starts the next round with penny and the cycle continues as Penny, Jodu, Ginny, Scribbly and Seedha. The game ends when a player discards all the cards and that player with no cards will be considered as the winner of the game. Use the score sheet booklet to mark the number of games won and identify the Dhappa champ from your friend's circle. Want more challenge? Keep playing until one player has all the cards. Dhappa is designed to improve color coordination, pattern recognition, hand-eye coordination, sequential skills, and social skills. Enjoy Dhappa. Stay tuned for more fun and exciting games and toys from Possibility.